Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to my virtual classroom, MKA Classroom. Now let's start today's video tutorial. Today we are going to start our discussion class on budgets and budgetary control. So we are going to start a new chapter. That chapter is called budgets and budgetary control. Simply, budget appears to have been derived from the French word baguette, which means little bag, or a container of documents and accounts. A budget is an accounting plan. It is a formal plan of action expressed in monetary terms. Actually, budget is an accounting plan, or budget is the plan for future expenditure. So it could be seen as a statement of expected income and expenses under certain anticipated operating conditions. It is a quantified plan for future activities, quantitative blueprint of action. Actually, budget is the blueprint of actions of future expenditures. Now we will see the definition of budget, meaning and definition. A budget is a plan of action to achieve stated objectives based on predetermined series of related assumptions. So it is clear that budget is a written plan covering projected activities of a firm for a defined time period. Definite time period. Basically, this is for 1 year. A plan for 1 year. What type of plan? Plan of expenditure and income. Plan for expenditure and income. How you expend for your farm for the next 1 year. For the next 1 year. And how you will income to achieve your expenditure, to cover your expenditures. So these actually called the budget, the predetermined plan. So it is mainly forecasting and controlling device. It is prepared in advance before the actual operation of company or project. It is in connection with the definite future period. Before implementation, it is to be approved by the management. It also shows capital to be employed during the period. Later on we will see budgetary control. So our chapter title was budgets and budgetary control. Here we have learned what is budget, and now we will try to know what is budgetary control. So budgetary control is a method of managing cost through preparation of budgets. Budgeting is thus only a part of budgetary control. So here is the several features of budgetary control. Establishment of budgets for various purposes of the business, revision of budget in view of changes in conditions, comparisons of actual performance with the budget on a continuous basis, taking suitable remedial action whether necessary, analysis of variations of actual performance from that of the budgeted performance to know the reasons thereof. Now we will see objectives of budgetary control. That means for why we prepare this budgetary control, or why we try to learn budget and budgetary control. That's actually the objectives of budgetary control. So here are the several objectives as like planning, coordination, measurement of success, motivation, communication, and control. These are the cause that's we will impose the budgetary control for our betterment. As like planning has been defined as the design of a desired future positions for an entity and its rest on the behalf that the future positions can be attained by uninterrupted management action. That means the objectives to prepare a good plan. So as a financial manager, you have to see the future where your firm will be in the next 10 years or next 20 years. That's why the financial manager prepare a plan. Detailed plans relating to production, sales, raw materials, requirements, labor needs, capital additions, etc. drawn out. By planning, many problems estimated long before they arise and solution can be thought of through careful study. Coordination, that means relations with the other department. Budgeting plays a significant role in establishing and maintaining coordination. Budgeting assists managers in coordinating their efforts so that problems of business are solved in harmony with objectives of its divisions. Measurement of success. Budgets present a useful means of informing managers how well they are performing in meeting the targets they have previously helped to set. Motivation. Budget is always considered a useful tool for encouraging managers to complete things in line with the business objectives. Communication. A budget serves as a means of communicating information within a firm. The standard budget copies are distributed to all management people and provides not only sufficient understanding and knowledge of programs and guidelines to be followed, but also gives knowledge about restrictions to be adhered to. Control is essential to make sure that plans and objectives laid down in the budget are being achieved. So these are the objectives. That's why the budgetary control is implemented. Here are several advantages and limitations of budgetary control. So advantage, these systems provides basic policies for initiatives. It ensures teamwork and thus encourages a spirit of support and mutual understanding among the staffs, etc. etc. Budgeting also aids in obtaining bank credit. So obviously it will help you to get bank credit. So here is several advantages. You have to note down that advantage. I am not discussing that all of the topics. So limitations of budgetary control. So it has several limitations. So it tends to bring about rigidity in operations, which is harmful. So budgetary control, actually there are several times it is rigid, that's why it is harmful to implement. So you have to follow strict rules and regulations to control your expenditures in future. So that's why it has several limitations. It being expensive is beyond the capacity of small undertakings, etc. etc. Here are several limitations. You have to follow this. Essentials of effective budgeting. That means essentials part of effective budgeting. Support of top management. That means budget will support the top management. If the budget structure is to be made successful, the considerations by every member of the management not only is fully supported, but also impulsions and directions should also come from the top management. Teamwork. This is an essential requirement. If the budgets are ready from bottom up in a grassroots manner, the top management must understand and they give enthusiastic support to the system. Realistic objective. The budget figures should be realistic and represent logically attainable goals. Excellent reporting system, a structure of budget team, well-defined business policies, integration with a standard costing system, inspirational approaches. Actually, these are the essentials of effective budgeting. Later on, we will see classification of budget. So here are several classifications on the basis of function, on the basis of flexibility, on the basis of time. Long term, short term, current, rolling. On the basis of time, budgets can be 4 types. On the basis of flexibility, it is 2 types, fixed and flexible. On the basis of function, sales budget, production budget, raw materials budget, purchase budget, labor budget, production overhead budget, selling and distribution budget, administration cost budget, capital expenditure budget, cash management. So cash expenditure budget, capital expenditure budget, cash budget only, cash budget. So here we will try to describe in brief these budgets. What is this budget? Sales budget. What is sales budget? Sales budget is an estimate of total sales which may be articulated in financial or quantitative terms. It is normally forming the fundamental basis on which all their budgets are constructed. In practice, quantitative budget is prepared first, then it is translated into economic term. While preparing the sales budget, the quantitative budget is generally the starting point in operation of budgetary control because sales become more often than not principal's budget factor. The factor to we consider in forecasting sales as follows: a study of past sales to determine the trend in the market, estimate made by salesmen of various markets of company product, changes of business policy and method, government policy, controls, rules, guidelines, etc., potential market and availability of material and supply. Sales budget, actually the future sales plan. Production budget. The production budget is prepared on the basis of estimated production for budget period. Usually the production budget is based on sales budget. At the time of preparing the budget, the production manager will consider the physical facilities like plant, power, factory, space, materials and labor available for the period. Production budget evidences the production program for achieving the sales target. The budget may be expressed in terms of quantities or money or both. Production may be computed as follows: units to be produced, desired closing stock of finished good plus budgeted sales minus beginning stock of finished goods. This all about today. Stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.